Test. This is a terrain making test. Hey there, hope you are all doing good. First of all, thank you very much for your support. Cracking the 2000 subscriber mark is awesome, epic and deep fantastic. This video is a shorty about painting rocks. It is part of a series and the first episode is about metallic lava rocks from Demon Worlds. These rocks are part of the newest PDF tutorial on Patreon, which deals with 8 different basic techniques to make rocks for model making and wargaming. The rocks are made from styrodur, aka XPS hard foam, and got sealed with a thin layer of thin spackling compound mixture. So let's paint those metal rocks from outer space. I mix water and an ultra matte medium into my acrylic paints. I tested to prime them in a bluish black. But decided to overpaint it with a way more neutral and matte iron oxide black. To achieve the lava rock, a gentle dry brush with terracotta seems to be a good idea. Followed by vermillion red, cause the terracotta was too bright and milky in my opinion. A layer of iron oxide black wash blends it together and hides painting accidents. To boost the burning lava look, I decided to apply a yellowish ocher to the tips of the rocks. Finally, a bit of brass metallic paint would fit nicely into the lava demon rock world. Followed by some accents with balck metal, a nice glitter effect. And partially, a bit more of iron oxide black wash feels good too. Et voila! It's done! This may be a good paint scheme for a demonic world or a proper death world. If you like this kind of content, ting-a-ling that YouTube bell ring and hit that subscribe button hard. Wanna help us to keep this terrain train rolling? Check out the links in the description below. Follow on Instagram, like on Facebook or become a patron. Link, like and share. In the meantime, we release a monthly layouted PDF tutorial about terrain making on Patreon. You can also find a free appetizer. Just follow the links to our Patreon, explore what is going on, download the free PDF tutorial and maybe you become a supporter. There's a list on tabletopterrainlenny.com where we recommend tools and materials for terrain modeling. This is an easy way to support this channel. If you have any question or critics, drop a kind comment. Thank you and keep on making terrain.